Alright guys, we're going to do a review of the Harbor Freight Bauer 4.5-inch heavy duty slide switch grinder. Been working on this Chevy Silverado, doing framework, rocker panels. It's been doing really good for me. I'll give you my thoughts and opinions on it. It's going to be fast, so let's go. Alright, here it is. The 7 amp, 11,000 RPM, 4.5-inch heavy duty slide switch angle grinder. So I've had it for about 3 months now, and I am very impressed with it. For $35 from Harbor Freight, I don't think you can beat it, and I have put it through some abuse. Had to cut these tubes out, cutting rockers out. I had to do a lower control arm on my Ford Focus. This thing, 2 thumbs up, and highly recommend.